discovering and protecting an Oracle database, make sure that the following settings are correct on the Oracle database server. Each Oracle database to be protected must be up and running. Do this by using ps-ef pipe to grep pmon. The database must be running in archive log mode. To verify that the database is running in archive log mode, set the database environment variable export oracle under SID equals and the database instance name. Log in to SQL Plus. SQL Plus /as sysdba. Use the command archive log list, then database log mode, archive mode. The database should be using SP file. Check to see if change block tracking is enabled or disabled by typing select star from $block_change_tracking. This is an optional check, but it is highly recommended. Verify the password file for the database exists on the Oracle host by typing select star from $pwfile_users. Verify the listener is up and running by typing ps-ef pipe to grep tns. Make sure that the Actifio connector has been installed on Oracle host.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.